Hi everyone, it's Tana here from Textdrip. Now, have you ever wished Textdrip could talk to your other apps automatically? Now, manually moving data around can be a hassle and it can absolutely slow you down. This is where our webhooks come in. Webhooks instantly send your Textdrip data outbound whenever a trigger happens, so your apps stay connected and your workflow runs smoothly. Let's head over to Textdrip. Now, in Textdrip, setting up a webhook is really easy. You're going to go to Integration, you're going to go to Webhooks, you're going to select where it says Add Webhook. Now, the first thing you want to do is put in a URL. This is where you want your data to be sent. Then next, you're going to select an event. Now, we have several different types of events. Our first one is going to be intent. This uses intent automation under integration. It checks for the first reply that comes in from a contact that is interested, neutral, or negative. Next, we have contact added via API. It sends full contact details whenever a new contact is added. Next, we have our auto opt-out. This triggers anytime an opt-out is received. User opt-out, this is when you manually opt out a contact. Next, we have our outbound messages. This is from every text that you send out from your inbox. And last but not least, we have our incoming SMS. This is for every message you receive. Once you select your event, then you're going to set it as active, hit save, and then you are done. Now, if we come back to our main page, you'll be able to select here where it says View Logs. From here, you can select where it says View Responses. Now, this is you're going to see all your details sent, like all triggers return from full contact information and trigger type specific details like messages, identified for intent, outbound messages sent, incoming messages, and opt-out keywords used, etc. Now, if we go back to our main page, select here under Actions, you'll be able to view your subscription. You can also see how many outbound calls you've made based on your subscription plan here in green. And the best part, Webhooks connect Textdrip with tools like Zapier and Make, and this is going to help to power endless automations. That's it. That's Webhooks inside of Textdrip. It's fast, flexible, and helps you stay connected at all times. Bye, everybody.